Welcome to this guide on how to paper trade on BitUnix, a simulated trading platform that allows users to practice trading with virtual funds. Paper trading is an essential tool for beginners and experienced traders alike, as it enables them to test trading strategies and refine their skills without risking real money. To get started, first create an account on BitUnix and navigate to the paper trading section. Here, you will be given a virtual balance of funds to trade with. This balance is typically reset at the start of each week, allowing you to start fresh and try new strategies. Next, select the market you want to trade in, such as Forex, cryptocurrencies, or commodities. BitUnix offers a wide range of markets, so choose one that you are interested in and have some knowledge of. Now, let's move on to placing a trade. To do this, click on the buy or sell button. Depending on your desired action, enter the amount you want to trade, and set your stop loss and take profit levels. These levels are critical, as they will automatically close your trade if it reaches a certain price, limiting your potential losses or locking in your profits. As you paper trade, it's essential to monitor your trades and adjust your strategy as needed. Keep an eye on the markets, and be prepared to close trades that are not performing well. You can also use technical analysis tools, such as charts and indicators, to help you make informed trading decisions. One of the key benefits of paper trading is that it allows you to test different trading strategies and see what works best for you. Try out different approaches, such as day trading, swing trading, or scalping, and see which one yields the best results. In addition to testing strategies, paper trading also helps you develop good trading habits, such as risk management and discipline. By practicing with virtual funds, you can learn to manage your emotions and make rational trading decisions, rather than impulsive ones. Finally, use your paper trading experience to refine your skills and prepare for live trading. As you become more confident and consistent in your trading, you can transition to a live account and start trading with real money. In conclusion, paper trading on BitUnix is a valuable tool for traders of all levels. By following these steps and practicing with virtual funds, you can develop your trading skills, test new strategies, and prepare for success in the markets. Remember to stay disciplined, manage your risk, and always keep learning, and you will be well on your way to becoming a proficient trader.